Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today is Tuesday, July 9th, 2019, and this is the second Tuesday, of course, for the month of July, and that means it's Security Update, or what we call Patch Tuesday Update on Microsoft Windows. So updates are available for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Very important to update your system. It contains several flaws and updates, so it's important to actually make sure that you update your systems. On Windows 7, it includes 21 vulnerabilities that are, one of them is rated critical. That means bad guys probably already exploited, and 20 are rated important. Windows 8.1 has 19 vulnerabilities, 1 critical, 18 important. Windows 10 versions have anywhere from 24 flaws in the first version, 1703 Creators Update, 36 on the Fall Creators Update, 37 on the April 2018 update, 36 on the October 2018 update, and May 2019 update has 36 also. They all have one critical flaw. If you're using Internet Explorer or using Microsoft Edge, it's very important to update because there's memory corruption vulnerabilities and scripting memory corruption vulnerabilities that are all critical. So 6 flaws in Internet Explorer 11 and 6 critical, 7 in Edge and 7 critical. So the browsers are very, very, very important to update if you're using them because of that. Apart from that, of course, today is the install phase, so just make sure that you stay safe by installing these updates. Never listen to anyone that says these updates are not important. These people obviously don't know what they're talking about. This is very, very important to make sure Windows stays safe. If you're on Windows 10, there are a few bug fixes that were actually pushed in there also at the same time for a few little problems that were discovered. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.